Important questions of contemporary India and education. Explain the levels of social diversity varies in language and among individuals. Second, discuss in detail about Deller's Commission report. Third, explain briefly the aims and functions of Sarva Siksha Abhiyan scheme. Fourth, explain the goals and objectives of Rashtriya Madhyamik Siksha Abhiyan scheme. Fifth, what do you mean by universalization of primary education? Sixth, state the limitations of the directive principle of the state. 7. Describe the silent features of the Right to Education Act. 8. As a teacher, how would you fulfill the constitutional obligation of justice, equality, and freedom? 9. As a teacher educator, how would you eliminate social inequality through education? Write a comparative account on Vedic, Buddhist, and Jain system on education. 11th. State the view of Kothari Education Commission on reorganizing the educational structure. 12th. Explain the recommendation of Dr. Malcolm Adisesha Committee. 13th. Describe briefly the silent features of national policy on education. 14th. Explain the purpose of constituting Ishwarbhai Patel Committee and its recommendations. 15th. Explain the recommendation of Sakshar Committee on the social, economic, and educational status of Muslim. 16th. Critically examine the guidelines provided by National Curriculum Framework 2005. 17th. Explain in detail about the funding system on education. 18th. Explain the language policy of Indian Constitution in post-independence India. 19th. Midday meal scheme is a social process. Justify this statement. 20th. Write a comparative account of Tagore and Vivekananda's view on education and particularly on medium of instruction. 21. Explain the advantages and disadvantages in privatization of education in Indian government environment. 22nd. Explain the advantage and disadvantage in globalization of education in Indian environment. 23rd. Explain the advantage and disadvantages in liberalization of education in Indian environment. 24th. What is lifelong education? Why it is given much importance in Indian education? These are the important questions where you must learn for examination. Thank you.